Saltviga House is a leisure house made of oak and Douglas fir from Dinesen flooring waste. The house is designed to blend in with the boreal forest on the southeast coast of Norway, adapting to the specifics of the local landscape by adopting a resource-efficient approach through the use of reclaimed waste materials. In recent research and projects, Dinesen materials are used to create homes with an environmentally friendly approach. The waste wood is used as a beautiful and efficient low-carbon alternative, reducing reliance on carbon-intensive construction materials. The strategy for using waste materials includes classifying materials by size, quality, and quantity, as well as building a 1:1 replica. This approach results in a unique construction technique that combines traditional material knowledge and modern process development to create a functional and economical home. The production and assembly of the wooden elements involves the expertise of carpenters, with over 12,000 oak pieces being precisely machined and pre-treated before delivery. In the assembly of the facade, over 20,000 stainless steel screws are used to create a strong and integrated facade layer. The building is designed to adapt to the natural landscape without changing the terrain. The house consists of 3 volumes on 5 different levels, creating 2 outdoor spaces, a sheltered courtyard overlooking the forest, and an open deck facing the Skagerrak Sea, with views set through a path of windows between the trees. The interior of the house features spaces with varying volumes and ceiling heights. The central hallway provides sweeping views of the sea. The exterior oak cladding will change to a silvery gray, while the interior Douglas cladding remains in a warm hue, creating a harmonious contrast with the neutral flooring.